So today is September 14th and we're going to find out the gender of my friend Ashton's baby. So I'm super excited for that. I will keep you guys updated. We're team girl. I put some pink outfit on her with unicorns. It's so cute. And then I barely have like any pink clothes, so I just throw on this shirt I got from Florida. Okay.
Team pink.
Okay, she thinks it's gonna be a girl. So I think it's gonna be a girl too. I think we all think it is. So we're gonna go with that. So we went to Party City and I got some tablecloths and we also got some pink and blue balloons. So I just found out what the gender was and I was literally shaking as I was opening the envelope. I really don't want to accidentally say it or anything, which I don't think I will. But I just put the bombs together. You put like this little dot on the little, if it's like pink or blue, you just cover it up with this little black dot so they can't see what it is. Ready?
Wait, Vince.
3, 2, 1.
I knew it! I knew it!
So we just got back and this is gonna be like a short video because I just kind of wanted to do the gender reveal for this video slash vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video. I will see you guys in my next one.